Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna take a deeper look into Studio Optimizer. So what is it? The Studio Optimizer is an advanced optimization tool, and instead of making quick suggestions, it takes a more detailed approach and helps you improve your video's structure, keywords, and overall performance strategy. So this tool is especially useful if you upload regularly or manage multiple videos. And I'm going to show you why. So what is it in general? How can you find it? Of course, the underget guys in top right corner of the TubeTuner is sign up with Google or log in into your existing account. So first thing first, of course, log in into your account. Then the first thing that will pop up on our dashboard is Studio Optimizer. Amazing, powerful tool, powerful feature that can really help you a lot with your channel. Here we can see you can load all your videos and optimize multiple videos at once with AI powered suggestions. So you can press right here. Of course, once you make your account, once you sign up, you connect your YouTube channel to TubeTuner. You can see it in top left corner, in bottom left corner is the name of the channel, is logo of the channel and everything. So that's it. Once you log in into your account, into your dashboard, if you press from load all videos, the TubeTuner, or in this case, Studio Optimizer, will load all your videos from your connected channel. Let's see how much videos I got on my channel. I just pressed it, and that's it. I mean, I even can't finish my sentence and TubeTuner is done. It's that quick. You can see right here, 254 videos loaded in a couple of seconds. So what is our next step? Right here, we can see Studio Optimizer is ready to load all of our videos and optimize them using AI. So you can select all right here and deselect all right here. You can choose those two options. You can, right now, if we want to, I can select all and optimize all 254 videos in a couple of minutes from my channel, guys. That's insane. Do you even know, and can we even calculate how much time have I spent? Let's just talk in my case right now so I can explain to you why TubeTuner is revolutionary for YouTube. Imagine how much time I've spent on YouTube choosing headline, searching which one is the most SEO friendly, which one is most clickable, perfect words and everything for 254 videos. Description, typing a manual description, again, SEO friendly description for 254 videos. That's and everything, guys. Just think about it for 254 videos. And right now, I just press and select all, optimize. That's it. Let me just show you because I just want to be quick right here. So I'll show you in a couple of videos how to increase Shopify store speed, terrible headline, terrible title right here, how to get verified Wise, and how to withdraw money from Wise to bank. These three videos, as you can see right now, we selected 3 out of 254. I could select one, I could select 2, 3, 5, 10, 50, or all 254 videos. The TubeTuner will, the Studio Optimizer, this feature itself, will do its magic. It ain't matter. But let's just try it on these three right here. So these three optimized three videos. And let's see. Optimizing. As you can see, first video, optimizing. Second video and third video are pending right here. We're going to wait for a couple of seconds and then we'll see again. Didn't finish my sentence. So it's completed. First video is completed. We can compare it. We can press on compare and see original version, optimized version. Take a look at the difference of the title. I mean, how to increase Shopify store speed. Everything low case, nothing. And the optimized title is why your Shopify store is slow and how to fix it. So fast, of course. The difference is really clear, guys. You can check it out, everything from description and tags and everything, guys. Definitely, it's uncomparable. I mean, it's amazing. Right here, we can compare this one right here. Take a look at the description itself. How to get verified on Wise right here, and the title is how to get verified on Wise 2025 step-by-step guide. Description, my description, my video. I mean, this old video, guys, but it's really terrible. I mean, how to get verified on Wise is the title, and I use it as a description as well. So right here, we can see strong verified Wise account, and so on and so on. You can see this. There's really description. Then capture everything, tags, 10 new tags for me. I didn't even use them here. So yeah, it's really amazing. You can compare, we can undo that. If you don't like it made for some reason, you can just undo it and you can view it on YouTube. So let's see on YouTube right here, of course, right here we can find it. Yeah, how to get verified advice, 20 step-by-step guide. The description is here, the tags are here, hashtags are here. It's amazing. It's done again. I will repeat it in a couple of seconds. I optimized 3 of my videos, guys. I mean, I don't know what to say right here. It's really amazing. It's really something. Let's do it again right here. Let's see maybe some of my videos that, because I already optimized a couple of my videos, guys, either just description, either just title, either just tags. I'm using regularly TubeTuner for my videos. So let's see some terrible video that I didn't, how to earn credits on Shopify, how to uninstall Shopify store. I mean, what is this? Let's select these 2 videos. Optimize again 5 videos. We can do it again. Also need to deselect this. Sorry, just a second. Okay, put them right here. So just to deselect this 3 that are already optimized. Must repeat it, and optimize 2 videos down below, these 2. So let's see down. Let's see what will happen to what will become from how to uninstall Shopify store and how to earn credits in Shopify. What will TubeTuner make from that? Compare. Take a look at the description. Take a look at the title right here. Full walkthrough. Take a look at my tags. Oh my God, my tag is uninstall Shopify. How to Shopify. Okay, sorry. I mean, I'm really laughing to myself sometimes because I can see what did I do a couple of years ago in my videos. So tags are here, uninstall Shopify store, delete Shopify domain, and so on. Perfect description, well optimized title, and of course, perfect SEO friendly tags are ready for you in again a couple of seconds. View on YouTube, it's already updated on YouTube, guys. So yeah, we can see it right here. Perfect. So again, Studio Optimizer is one really powerful tool, guys, for you, especially if you're uploading daily tens of videos and you're managing tens of videos. Just calculate for yourself how much time will you save if you use TubeTuners as Studio Optimizer. Definitely give it a shot. It's really amazing. Studio Optimizer gives you full control without overwhelming you, and it helps you make smarter decisions instead of just, guessing. Tags, titles, SEO, everything, you're still a creator, and the Studio Optimizer just helping you with the YouTube dirty work. You can just let the Studio Optimizer do its magic for that dirty work, and you can just focus on the content itself. And of course, the channel will only grow from that point. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.